Hi everyone, welcome back to our phonics lesson. My name is Aisinta and today we are going to focus on the vowel A. Are you ready to learn some new words? Let's get started. This is the letter A. A makes the A sound as in apple. Can you say A? Fantastic! Now let's use the letter A to make some new words by adding different consonants. Ready? Let's go! The first word is ab. Can you say ab? Great! Ab as in cab. Can you think of any other words that rhyme with ab? K-ab, cab. D-ab, dab. J-ab, jab. N-ab, nap. T-ab, tab. Let's read together. Cab, dab, jab, nap, tab. That's fantastic. Well done. The next word is add. Can you say add? Awesome. Add as in dad. What other words can you think of that rhyme with add? D-add, dad. H-add, had. L-add, lad. M-add, mad. P-add, pad. S-add, sad. Let's read together. Dad, had, lad, mad, pad, sad. Now we have ag. Can you say ag? Awesome. Ag as in bag. Let's think of some more words that rhyme with ag. B-ag, bag. Ag, nag. Ag, rag. Ag, sag. Ag, tag. Ag, wag. Next is am. Can you say am? Excellent. Am as in jam. What other words rhyme with am? D-am, dam. H-am, ham. J-am, jam. M-am, mam. R-am, ram. Y-am, yam. Now say along with me. Dam, ham, jam, mam, ram, yam. Here we have an. Can you say an? Great job. An as in can. Can you think of other words that rhyme with an? K-an, can. F-an, fan. M-an, man. P-an, pan. R-an, ran. V-an, van. Now say along with me. Can, fan, man, pan, ran, van. Good job. Next is app. Can you say app? Perfect. App as in cap. Let's come up with more words that rhyme with app. App, cap. App, lap. App, map. App, nap. App, rap. App, tap. Shall we say it together? Cap, lap, map, nap, rap, tap. Finally, we have at. Can you say at? Wonderful. At as in cat. What other words can you think of that rhyme with at? B at bat. K at cat. At fat. H at hat. At mat. V at vat. Come on, say it together along with me. Bat, cat, fat, hat, mat, vat. Fantastic work today, everyone. We learned how to use the vowel A to make new words by adding different consonants. What are the consonants we used up together? Ab, ag, ag, am, ap, and at. Keep practicing these words with your friends and family. See you next time for more phonics fun.